What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to be doing, follow me, we're going to be attempting to put these wheels and tires off my Toyota Tacoma. They are 33-inch tires on 20-inch wheels onto my Scion FRS. This is not what the car usually looks like. It usually looks pretty good, in my opinion at least. We have the wide body removed right now, and we have Subaru Forester wheels on it, and that kind of sparked my idea to throw the Tacoma wheels on it. It should look pretty good. And actually, I gotta give some credit to, damn, what's that dude's name? Whistle and Diesel. Whistle and Diesel does really crazy stuff with his trucks, and this is kind of what sparked my idea to do this with my car.
So you're just doing this for fun?
Yeah, 100%. The thing I'm kind of worried about, these tires are obviously not gonna fit inside my fender wells, so I have like, was it 6.5 inches of spacer and adapter. So hopefully that pulls these Tacoma wheels out far enough, because the inside of the wheel has to stick outside of my car. So the wheel technically should be like right about there. But yeah, let's get started. Let's see what we can make happen. I don't have enough spacer to run these wheels on all four corners, so what I think I'm gonna do is just put them on the back of the car. Do you think another 2 inches would clear, or 4 inches?
I do 4.
4 more inches? Let's try 2 more. No, let's just send it and do 4 more. 4 more inches, and then I'm just gonna run these big ass tires on the back of my car. Unfortunately, I didn't order enough to run them on all 4 corners. It is what it is, though. It'll still look good. I can still air out, though. It'll look cool. All right, redo. Ooh, those are beautiful. I gotta make sure this is tight. Hell yeah. That is so sick.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't it?
I don't approve. Oh my gosh, it just keeps on going and going. Oh yeah, dude.
Bro, it's gonna work.
It looks like something's bending.
Let's go inspect. We should be good. Should I air it out a little bit, or should we do the
No,
other side
babe.
first?
No.
Other side first? Why are you so against this? This is dope.
It's really scary.
Well, as you can see, it works for the rear only. I don't have enough spacer to throw all of them on. I'd have to order, I think, 4 more 2-inch spacers. So I'd need 4 more inches per wheel. But I'm gonna throw the other side on real quick on the back, and then we can pull it outside the shop and see how it looks. Let her down, see what we can break. Hell yeah. Alright, let me tighten it up a little bit and then pull it up from the shop.
What do you mean?
What?
What do you mean pull it up by the shop? We're gonna drive this thing?
I gotta pull it outside and see how good she does in the snow.
Oh my gosh.
What? Why else would I do this? To be honest, I don't know if this little 100 horsepower FRS motor can...
Now you need a wide body to cover that. I'm kidding.
Should we put the wide body kit on?
No, babe. That would not clear.
Actually, looks kind of good.
What?
Should we do some air out action?
No. Oh my gosh, I can't watch all this.
That's all the way. It's completely aired out. It clears.
Here, take your freaking camera. I can't even like watch this right now.
What? You don't like it?
No.
Why?
That's just, look at it.
Looks kind of good. Should we go drive it?
No.
Here, just film me. Like I'm just gonna go drive around the block.
Around the circle?
Yeah.
You're gonna hit the Forester, and it's too wide. You're gonna like hit Ava and the Forester.
Hold.
Oh my gosh. My gosh, it looks so freaking. Oh my gosh, from the front view. Whoa. This is not around the block. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You wanna try?
No.
Why?
There's no way in heck I'm doing that.
That's so sick though.
Ew, it reeks.
I know, it's my clutch.
Oh.
My clutch is getting all this power.
It's so funny.
I really wish I had all four on. It would make me a happy person. That's so sick.
Babe, there's huge stumps right there. What are you doing?
I know, I'm wheeling. I want to get up on the stump.
Reverse your car
Why?
and get out of this. You're pulling up grass, Hoss. This is sad. Oh my gosh, babe. Your bumper is hanging off.
They're ripping off? Oh damn, I did. I think it's from over there. How's she looking? Pretty good?
It's so good.
I thought so. You want to try?
No.
Babe, it's really
No,
it's
no, and no.
It's actually really fun.
This is something that I'm putting my foot down. I'm not doing this. You popped off a bumper, Hoss?
Yeah, I don't care. I'm doing a different front end for next year anyway. Or this
Yeah.
year, I guess.
Guys, keep in mind this car is going to be redone in like a few months.
Everything's getting changed on this. The only thing I really care about not wrecking is, say if I like popped a bag, or like broke a wheel spacer and my wheel destroys my quarter pin.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I'm worried about. I don't care about the front end. The whole front end's gonna get changed. And
Should we
it's
go
not-
get Costco pizza in this car?
You want to?
No.
Should we take it to Austin's?
No.
Why? You
What?
should start
What?
taking all the no's you say and turning them to yeses.
No!
That would make your life a lot funner.
Hoss.
What? Every time you say no, I'm gonna start just making it into a yes. And then every time you say yes, it'll be a no.
Okay, yes, let's do it.
Okay, let's go.
No! Oh my gosh. Full sned. We're done with this. Are you trying to break them?
Wheeling hard. We won't go any farther. All I smell is clutch.
Okay, then that's a sign to get off. Nothing, babe. This has been a long day. Step on all your monster truck.
Oh. Not quite enough power to turn these big boys. Wow, it's really digging holes. My hole.
Oh my gosh.
That's sick. You know what that means? It's a good wheeling machine.
Okay, baby, get out.
Ah. Well, I think that might be it for this video, unfortunately. I don't know what else to do.
I know.
What else could we do in
What
this
did we
thing?
do with the monster truck?
We did a lot of mudding.
Yeah, we did.
I wish there was a mud puddle we could go through. That'd be really, really sick. It's kind of fun though, isn't it?
Kind
I'm
of.
gonna grab a rake. I'm gonna just swim shoes. If you guys have any more ideas as to what we could do with this car before we actually rebuild it and actually make it look good again, drop a comment down in the comment section below. I want to know what you guys think I should do. We could get the front wheels on, I guess. The only thing with the front wheels that Nick was telling me actually, I would need way bigger spacers to turn it all. Because imagine this turning, I could turn like a millimeter.
Yeah,
into it.
that's true.
So I'd need like a foot of spacers on the front. So I don't know if I'm gonna do that. Oh. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Full sned ahead. Remember to always full sned. Got anything to say?
No. This time I really just don't. I'm speechless. For real.
I think you're jealous of the fitment.
So jealous.
What do you got in your face? What's that black thing?
Ah!
That's gonna be the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Wow, I'm getting really freaking dirty. Full sned. If you did enjoy it, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If you really, really enjoyed it, feel free to share this video with your homies. Like I said earlier, if you have any more suggestions as to what to do with this ass isn't a bad word.
Yeah, it is.
This badass FRS, let me know. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.